What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It has been a while since we've actually posted any vlogs or videos, but I've been going through some personal issues and getting rid of a bunch of negative people out of my life, and that's all done. It's all in the past. So we're back, baby. We are back to post new vlogs every Monday at 4 p.m. So if you guys are not already subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button, as well as clicking that little bell notification. You know, the one over wherever it is. Click that so that way you're always notified every time I post a new video. Who wants to see an Evo build? Let me know in the comments below. Unfortunately, we're not talking about the Evo right now. We're going to go ahead and talk about my 2020 Tacoma. We recently just did a ton of upgrades to it, so I'm going to go ahead and take you through and show you what's exactly done to it. Alright, let's go. Side note, don't ever get fat. You can't get out of seats like these. Fake brides. Up front, we're running the TRD fake Pro Grill, as well as the fake garnish that has a bunch of chips in it, which I know a lot of people are actually having issues with it, which surprisingly after about 1,300 miles, I haven't had an issue since. We're running the Cali Rays LED Raptor light kit, which not too bad, kind of looks sick. We're running the Cali Raised combo light bar. It's actually quite bright, surprisingly, as well as their Cali Raised mounts, which I think I mounted it a little bit too high. It really wasn't for off-roading. It was kind of just so that way when we go out riding, I can turn on the light so I could see. It does make the truck look pretty cool. What everybody wants to know is actually my wheel and tire setup. We're running the Method NV315s in a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. They are in obviously the gold. We are actually going to be changing the color of these rims because there's like 3 different people in Vegas that have these rims on a Tacoma, and I hate being the same as everybody else. For the tire, we're running the Discover, I don't know how you really say it, the ST Max from Cooper. That is in a 285 70/17, and I'm actually running the King 2.5s with about a 3-inch lift with the Icon billet upper control arms. Unfortunately, we are still on stock lowers, which I actually did order new ones and they're being made right now. So we will be installing those here pretty soon. Coming back here to the rear, we are running the King 2.5s as well as an add-a-leaf system down there. I don't know if it's pointing to anything. Of course, we gotta have the 2-lit media sticker on it with the huge dent. Funny story, I was going and getting Chipotle and someone decided to hit and run me. Basically, we were parked at a slant and there was an open spot right here and they were coming the wrong way, and I don't know what the dude was doing, if he was drunk, high, or whatever. But I was literally walking out holding my Chipotle, and he literally just turned straight into the back corner of the truck and smashed the whole tail light, bumper, and then pushed the whole quarter panel in, which he then proceeded to back up and peace out, and I really just did not know what to do. So I kind of just ate my Chipotle and just rolled with it. Last but not least, we're running the SB intake, which actually quite dirty. It's been kind of dusty here in Vegas, so it does look pretty cool. Doesn't really do much for me, but kind of runs better. I really honestly didn't see any sort of improvements or changes to it, so yeah, I don't know, I think it was kind of a waste of money. Well, that's it for today's video. We kind of talked about what's done to the Tacoma. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys would, smash that like button so that way people can see the video, as well as subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next Monday.